Let's have this. We have 4 by 4. CD will represent the rows. AB will represent the column. And we have this different mean term plotted on our K-map. So what is the biggest group of mean term that we could form based on this? Okay, so based on this, group of 4, which is the center. So when we determine the prime implicants, always start with the biggest group. Okay, so group of 4. Then, since we don't have any more group of 4, let's proceed with the smaller group, which is group of 2. So you're not going to group the mean term under group of 4. Okay, no need to create group of 2 here. Okay, to create a prime implicant, only with mean term, what do you call this? Only a group of 2 which has at least an exclusive one on group of 2. Okay, so for example, so we have this group, even though it overlaps with the group of 4, there is an exclusive one for the group of 2. Another, okay, so we have an exclusive one, even though it overlaps with the group of 4, it's okay. And we also have this. It's okay to have an overlapping between same group size. Okay, so we don't care if there's an exclusive 1 or exclusive 0 within the same group size. Okay, the only thing that we need to know when determining the prime implicant is there should be an exclusive min term or max term, okay, within that group size. Okay, if we're going to get some from the bigger group. Okay, another group of 2. So don't forget the left and right could be connected, are connected rather, could be grouped, and upper and lower could be group of 2. So do have mean term, which is not yet grouped? None. So therefore, we already get all the grouping, all the prime implicant. Okay, so we have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 group of 2. Okay, so after determining the prime implicants for group of 4 and group of 2, now we're going to determine the essential, redundant, selective, so that we could determine the final equation. Okay, so what are the essential? Definitely group of 4. Why? Because we have an exclusive one here. We have 2 exclusive midterm for the group of 4. So it will be part of the final answer. How about this group? Definitely there is. Okay? So it will be part of the final answer. How about this? Definitely the first row and fourth row will be part. The only problem now is these 3 groups. This blue, green, and left and right green. So which among these 3 is considered as essential prime implicant? So by inspection, if we're going to choose this blue group, we don't need the green groups. So therefore, this will be part of the essential prime implicant. And the rest will be part of non-essential, the green groups. So based on our analysis, we have 3 group of 2s, which are A naught, B C naught, A naught, B naught C, A B naught, D naught. Okay, and then the redundant prime implicants are, we have 2. So we have A naught CD, B naught CD naught. So this is A naught CD, and this is B naught CD naught. As you can see, there's no exclusive mean term on that groups. Okay, do we have the third, the selective? Definitely none, because we don't have options. Okay, again, don't forget, we should minimize the group size and the group number to have a simplified equation. So that's why we choose this blue to have a lesser number of groupings. Okay, so final answers, this will be the equation. Okay, another example. So again, CD is for the rows, AB for the column. And we have this mean term plotted in our key map. So let's start with the grouping. So the biggest group will be group of 4. Okay, we could group again the first row and the fourth row. So we already had a group of 4. Now, can we have another group of 4? No. So now let's pursue the group of 2. Okay, so again, when we get the prime implicant of group of 2, be sure there should be an exclusive mean term or max term for that group size. When there is an overlapping with a bigger group. Okay, so these are the group of 2. This green, we have this blue, we have this blue, and we have this green. Okay, so let's determine what are the essential prime implicant. So definitely the group of 4. Why? Because we have an exclusive mean term on this group. So it will be part of the essential prime implicant. How about the left and right? Definitely yes, because we have an exclusive mean term here. Okay, how about this green? Definitely it will be part of the essential. Okay, so we have 2 for the group of 2, 1 for the group of 4. But how about these blue groups? Is it redundant or is it selective prime implicant? It's selective prime implicant because we have 2 options. Group this mean term with this mean term, or group this mean term to this mean term. So we have 2 options. So again, it's up to you which among these 2 will be retained. Only one should be retained for our final equation. Okay? So just choose between BCD and ABC for your final answer. So the simplified equation will be BD plus B naught C naught D naught plus ABC plus the selective prime implicant that could be either, that could be either ABC or BCD. Okay, the third term here could be either BCD or plus ABC. Okay, so that's selective prime implicant. You have option. Okay, so again, to summarize, always start with the biggest group, determine the prime implicants, determine the essential prime implicants, determine the redundant prime implicants, and selective prime implicants. For that, so that we could easily determine the simplified equation. Okay, so see you on the next video lecture. More examples about key mapping on the next. Thank you for listening.